Amazon delivery date change. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can change our delivery date on Amazon, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now for some reason, if you're not able to pick up your Amazon products on the designated delivery date, you can still choose to postpone your delivery date. So to do this, you can simply open up the Amazon shopping application, and then to edit your order details, after you open it up, just tap on the account icon from here, and when you tap the account icon from there, you'll find this option right here known as your orders from the very top. So you want to make sure to tap on the your orders option, and when you tap on the your orders option, you'll find this type of options here, and then from here you just want to go ahead and then make sure to select the order, tap on edit, and you'll find the reschedule option. When you tap on reschedule, then you'll be able to change your order details including your delivery date. This way you should be able to change the delivery date on Amazon. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.